Transitions are very important to gain or get your viewers' attention. You have to try and use cool and interesting transitions. In today's video, I will be teaching you all about transition, how to use them, the type I use and how I use them, and the best that goes in for each of the video you're planning to shoot. Keep on watching to learn. Before we move into the video proper, I would like to tell you what transition is and how to get transition and where to get transition. Please keep on watching. Transition is a image shot or a video shot that introduce the next video or a video. That's in my own opinion. Content creators, editors and even filmmakers uses transition to enhance the flow, pattern and create the style to match the mood they are going for in a video. Okay, but it can ruin a good video if you don't properly use it well or apply it rightly. Yeah. Secondly, to get transition in a video is by adding more than one video, that is two videos together. You automatically get an icon for transition. Or if it's a video, that is one video, you just have to tap on the video, then tap on split screen. When you tap on split screen, that one video will divide into two, then creating a place for a transition icon. I'll be showing you how to do this in the video. I'll just be showing you on the screen. So sprinkles, now that we have gotten that out of the way, what is transition, how to get transition and how to place it in a video, now we will go into the video properly. Hello sprinkles, my name is Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on personal improvement, how-to videos just like this one, and vlogs. If this is your first time of coming across my channel and seeing this face on your screen, please don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button below and turn on your bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I post a new video. I'll always ask you to subscribe because I post value-packed educating content in my channel, and if you're doubting me, please go through my other videos and you will definitely confirm for yourself. In today's video, I will be talking about my 5 favorite cool transitions to use in Capcut. Please keep on watching and learn. My sprinkles, number 1 on my list would be any black fade transition. I love those kind of transition. This transition works so well with vlogs. For example, if you want to introduce the next day, you finish speaking and you're cutting off that final day and you said everything you have to say, you just use the black fade transition. It goes so well, and you can even use it to stand as the next day. If you don't have that the next day write up, you can use the black fade transition as the next day write up. And also, after cooking a meal, it goes so well. If you want to introduce the meal to your vlog, you can use that black transition to introduce the meal to your vlog. Like after cooking your meal, that transition you will use to show your food or you eating your food. If you use black fade transition, it will be so cool and I like it in video. I use it in my video though. Let's move on to the next transition. My sprinkles, number 2 on my list is those white flash transition. These kind of transitions are very good for vlogs, and if you want to do sponsored ads and if you want to do flashback, it's very good on flashback because of the white background effect it does give. And if you want to do a sponsored ad, you want to talk about a product, it is very good for talking about product. If you're into vlogs, it's also good for all those morning waking up scene, opening up the curtain. Also good in showing the atmosphere, the morning atmosphere, and that's it. As in give that whitish vibes, morning vibes, cool vibe. That's what that white flash transition does, and I do incorporate it into my vlogs mostly. I want you to note that there are different kind of transition to play around with. The main thing is to choose the one to suit a particular mood in the video that you're trying to portray. Okay, when you choose a good transition for each mood, it helps balance the mood and it makes your vlogging or video shooting interesting. Make the video look so interesting and your viewer keeps on watching the video. It just make your viewer to be glued to the video and they keep on watching it to the end. Okay, now continue with the third transition I enjoy that I feel it's cool. My sprinkles, the third on my list. My number 3 cool transition I use in my video is the blur effect transition. I so love this transition. For those using phone to film their vlogs or do their video, if you use this blur effect, it gives you all these camera vibes on it. If you're looking at it, you think the person uses a camera to film. And I like the suspense around it because it will be blurry, then when you come closer it will reveal what is hiding. So it has this suspense around it, which I like. In your before video, when you put in this blur effect transition to now reveal the after, it goes so well. I love it so much, especially when you come close to the camera. If you're into makeup tutorial, hair tutorials and the rest, it goes so well for every before and after videos. Okay, so let's go into my fourth cool transition. My sprinkles, the fourth transition on my list is the slide transition. I'm sure this slide transition is the first kind of transition that was made. I'm not sure, but I'm just saying because it's the full definition of introducing a new video. On my screen as you're watching, I'll be showing you how all this transition looks like already. And this slide transition, it introduces a new video when the other video is about ending. So when you're ending a video and you insert the slide transition, so what it does, that it's when it's ending the first video, it's introducing the next video and you will see the introduction. I love this transition for sit down video, just like this one. If you check my older videos, I use lots of slide transition before I discover other transition. If you watch TV presentation, news, you will notice that most of the time they use a type of slide transition if you watch closely. Let's go to the last and final transition. My sprinkles, my fifth and final transition is the glitch transition. Just like the name, if you watch videos, you will notice glitch. I so much love this transition because it gives out serious and cool vibe. Like when you want to give an effect of something serious and cool, the glitch transition is the one for you because it helps you to make that video look serious and look cool. If you notice, in most of the musical video, you will see glitch transition. If they want to just make the video look fun and cool and serious, they use glitch transition. Mostly this glitch transition is used in musical video or in fun question interviews. You see glitch transition, and when you want to do breaking transmission that is fun, you will see glitch transition. At this point, my sprinkles, these are my favorite cool transition I use and I enjoy in videos. And if you want me to shoot a part 2 of this video, please leave it in the comment section. Also, I would like you to tell me which of the transition you like and why do you like the transition, and what are your favorite kind of transition. Please leave it in the comment section. If you have a video request for me or you want me to film a video for you, please leave it in the comment section, the kind of video you want me to film for you. At this point, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Click on that red subscribe button and subscribe. Turn on your bell notification to be notified when I post a video. Please like my video and share this video so it will get to more people and the YouTube algorithm will smile on my channel. Please don't forget to share my video and like my video. Leave all your comments in the comment section. I love interacting with you guys. I will definitely reply your comments. Please stay safe out there and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye guys.